1.11 trillion Shiba Inu, SHIB, added by large players in epic accumulation spree. We have created a Telegram group to provide you with the latest updates on upcoming airdrops, pre-sales, and instant cryptocurrency news. Join our Telegram group using the link provided in the description section. Additionally, you can take advantage of the MEXC stock market link to engage in spot transactions, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with zero commission. On-chain analytics platform Santiment noted in a tweet that large SHIB holders, notably the Shark and Dolphin wallets, had been accumulating SHIB. Santiment observed that Shark and Dolphin wallets, which hold 10 million to 100 billion SHIB tokens, amassed over $9 million in less than 8 weeks, which is still a large amount. Shiba Inu has been a surprise winner during the final hours of a particularly dull trading week. Shark and Dolphin wallets holding 10 million to 100 billion SHIB tokens have accumulated $9 million in just under 8 weeks, a significant amount for the 14th ranked crypto asset, Santiment wrote. Santiment noted in an image put out with the tweet that 1.11 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been added by 10 million to 100 million SHIB wallets since June 4, citing the number of tokens obtained by this class of holders. SHIB jumped 6%. Shiba Inu, SHIB, saw a surprising jump on Friday, reaching highs of $0.00000845. The gains were sustained until press time, with SHIB up 5.55% in the last 24 hours to trade at $0.00000821. Shiba Inu trading volume is up a whopping 282% in the last 24 hours as traders surged into the market to profit. Because of the price increase, the dog-themed Shiba Inu asset has risen in the cryptocurrency rankings. According to CoinMarketCap data, SHIB is the 14th largest cryptocurrency, with a current market cap of $4.84 billion. According to Santiment, the price increase for Shiba Inu might have been driven by big whale transaction surges. In an image attached to a tweet, Santiment noted that Shiba Inu saw a price surge at the end of the week with help from mid-tiers continuing their 2-month-long accumulation. Notably, SHIB is experiencing an increase in social interest, having risen to the top of the Lunar Crush alt ranking based on social and market activity. The official SHIB Twitter account has posted a countdown to Shiba Inu's 3rd anniversary, saying, "The countdown has begun. We're just a few days away from our 3rd bark day, and the excitement is off the leash." SHIB burns jump as Shiba Inu surpasses XLM, BCH and AVAX, details. Shiban Wallet Tracker has reported that since last morning, better than nothing progress in SHIB burns has been achieved as the burn rate of this popular meme coin has gone up by a couple of 100%. In the meantime, SHIB has jumped up on the list of top cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap, and whales have acquired more than 1 trillion Shiba Inu recently. SHIB burn rate goes up according to the aforementioned source tracker. Over the span of the past 24 hours, the SHIB burn rate has risen by 240.91%, as 95,122,875 Shiba Inu were burned in total thanks to 26 transactions. The largest amount of SHIB that was moved to a dead-end wallet was 37,691,762 around 10 hours ago. Image via Shiban burning coins means that they are transferred to wallets from which nobody can spend them or withdraw in any other way. Thus, the circulating supply gradually shrinks, making the coin more scarce. This, in theory, increases the odds of its price going up. SHIB leaves XLM, BCH behind. Whales grab 1.11 trillion SHIB over the past 24 hours. According to CoinMarketCap, the second most popular meme coin SHIB has climbed to the 14th position. It is changing hands at $0.00000819 after 5.44% growth since yesterday. Now, SHIB has surpassed several major altcoins: Bitcoin Cash BCH, Stellar XLM, DAI, Avalanche Avaxust, Toncoin, TON, and several others. According to a tweet shared by Santiment on-chain data aggregator, Shark and Dolphin wallets that hold between 10 million and 100 million Shiba Inu have purchased roughly $9 million worth of SHIB within less than 8 weeks. This is equal to 1.11 trillion of these canine coins. Overall, Santiment commented SHIB has turned into a surprise winner during the last hours of a particularly dull trading week. Traders' interest in XRP remains solid despite price retreat, data shows. The enduring allure of XRP, despite market volatility, may be evidence of its continued relevance, as it has continued to attract the interest of traders and investors equally. Even as the dust settles after Ripple's recent victory jubilation, the cryptocurrency market remains keen on XRP. Kaiko, a provider of market data on digital assets, reports that the open interest ratio on XRP futures trades on prominent exchanges remains quite impressive. Recently, the crypto market has experienced a pervasive price reversal. Despite the pullbacks, traders' interest in the Ripple cryptocurrency remained remarkably high, according to Kaiko. At the time of writing, XRP was in the red in all time frames, trading at $0.712, down a measly 0.02% in the last 24 hours, and a considerable 8.4% in the last 7 days, data from crypto market tracker CoinGecko shows. Given these numbers, XRP is still able to shine in another key department. XRP community remains upbeat about the crypto. Kaiko shows that across numerous markets, XRP's volume to open interest ratio is consistently higher than the median value. This reliability suggests that the XRP coin is actively traded in a healthy market. This percentage is significantly greater than the market average, indicating strong liquidity and sustained interest from traders and investors. On prominent exchanges, the volume to open interest ratio is also used to measure trading activity. When the interest metric is high, it indicates that more purchasers and sellers are willing to trade the token, which indicates speculative interest. A favorable volume to open interest ratio could be a signal for market participants to trade in such a token. As assessed by Sentiment, has increased dramatically over the previous 2 months, reflecting the excitement surrounding the cryptocurrency. Its social dominance increased dramatically in late May and early June, peaking at over 4%. Ripple had just roughly 2% of the social market share at the time this story was published. Despite the fact that this number may appear tiny, it demonstrates that the cryptocurrency has a significant presence and impact in the crypto community as a whole. Despite the fact that Ripple appears to be a minor topic of discussion, it has managed to stand out as a formidable contender, attracting the attention of enthusiasts and experts alike and causing them to discuss it. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, where numerous digital assets vie for attention and recognition, Ripple carved out a useful niche for itself, influencing discussions about blockchain technology and financial innovation. Strong social footprint. Even though Ripple must contend with other well-known cryptocurrencies, the fact that it has maintained a strong social presence indicates that it has a large number of supporters and investors. Meanwhile, the loss of nearly 10% of XRP's value over the past week appeared insignificant to some speculators. Based on figures from Sentiment, the funding rate for cryptocurrencies was 0.1%. A positive reading of the funding rate indicated favorable sentiment on average. This site's content should not be construed as investment advice. Investing involves risk. When you invest, your capital is subject to risk. Cup and handle pattern emerges in XRP chart. What does it mean? Despite a favorable ruling as a non-security token, XRP had experienced a correction for over a week and a half, losing bullish momentum after reaching a yearly high of 94 cents. It is trading above the 70 cents mark, with the 66 cents level acting as a support. Over the past 24 hours, XRP has exhibited sideways trading yet shows potential signs of price appreciation. The technical analysis indicates a leaning toward bullish sentiment, with positive buying strength, demand, and accumulation. Even though the emergence of a pattern suggesting further bullishness is possible, it remains critical for XRP to maintain support at 66 cents and 56 cents levels. Additionally, breaking through critical resistance levels is essential for the bulls to retain market control. Encouragingly, the altcoin's market capitalization has increased, signaling a positive development for the altcoin. XRP price analysis, one-day chart. When writing, the altcoin XRP was trading at 71 cents. The XRP price chart shows the formation of a bullish reversal pattern known as a cup and handle. Despite this positive pattern, the coin's true bullish potential will be determined by its ability to surpass two significant resistance levels at 76 cents and 84 cents, respectively. It's worth noting that after reaching a yearly high of 94 cents, XRP encountered resistance at 84 cents twice. On the downside, if there is a decline from the current price level, XRP may find support at 66 cents and then at 56 cents. Technical analysis. In recent trading sessions, the buying strength of the altcoin has shown consistency. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has held steady around the 60 mark over the past few weeks, indicating buyers have maintained control of the price action. This positive signal suggests that the coin will attract more buyers if the price remains above the 66 cents level. Moreover, the price of XRP has remained above the 20 simple moving average (SMA) line, indicating buoyant demand and confirming that buyers are actively driving the price momentum in the market. With the surge in purchasing power, the altcoin exhibits a decline in sell signals. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) reflects changes in price momentum. Red signal bars appear below the half line, indicating decreased sell signals. Meanwhile, the Bollinger Bands suggest a likelihood of price volatility and fluctuations in the upcoming trading sessions. The considerable widening of the bands indicates the potential for significant price fluctuations shortly.